Okay, today we're going to use our calculator on some of the homework to approximate solutions. One thing I want to get with you on this is the calculator is going to be doing all the work for you, but I want to see something written on your paper other than just the answer. So what I want to see written on your paper, we're trying to approximate the solution of this equation, and any equation for that matter. What I want to see on your paper will be y sub 1 equals and y sub 2 equals. Right? When y sub 1 and y sub 2 are going to represent are going to be the left and right hand sides of this equation. So y sub 1, when I'm entering my calculus, is going to be 2 caret parentheses negative x plus 3n parentheses. And y sub 2 is going to be x plus 1. It does say solution. It's going to imply solutions. So if there's more than one solution, give me all the solutions to it. Y1 and y2 are going to create graphs, and if those graphs intersect, that represents a solution. So any place those two graphs intersect. So if I go to y equals, clear out what's in there and type in these equations. So 2 caret parentheses negative x plus 3. If you got your math print on instead of classic, then it jumps up in the power level. You can make it look like, you know, if you got your math print, you can say y1 equals 2 negative x plus 3. Just as long as it's correct. Whichever one you have on your screen, that's what I want to see. So that's my screen over here. For y2, I'm going to type in x plus 1. Now obviously x plus 1 is a linear equation, y-intercept of 1, a slope of 1. I kind of have an idea of what that looks like. If I just do a normal zoom, which is negative 10 to 10 in all directions, so if I go zoom 6, that's usually my starting graph when I do this type of stuff. So if I graph it there, let's see. There's my y equals 2 to the negative x plus 3 going on there. There's y equals x plus 1. Based on my knowledge of exponential graphs that I've had to this point, that's what they kind of look like, right? Nothing tells me it's going to go back that way again. So probably it's going up this way, that way. So it looks like only the one solution occurs. It's on my screen. I can see it. The blue and the red line are the two things we're trying to find the intersection of. So now if I go to my calc and choose intersect, first curve blue, second curve red, guess, it doesn't matter, there's only one point of intersection, so I'm going to hit enter a third time, and that tells me 1.613833. It also tells us the y value of 2.613833. The solution, if you look at the problem, is going to be in terms of x, right? So the x coordinate is more important to me than the y coordinate. And that's as many decimal points as I get, okay? Here's how I can get more decimal points, decimal places. So it gives me 6, right? If I quit, anytime you do an intersection, if you quit, when you type in x, it'll save the x value you found as x. So if, let's say it wanted it to 8 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now it's got 8 decimal places, 02, it gives you a couple extra, all right? It's not going to give you a lot of extra, but it gives you a few extra. Usually they ask for 2, 3, 4 decimal places. It's usually enough on there. But if they ask for more than it's giving you, that's how you can find more. And I would assume that's as far as it goes. I mean, obviously it probably goes further than that yet, but that's as far as I can figure it out with my calculator. But again, anytime you do calculate, intersect, calculate the zero, calculate anything, x will be that. Probably y is the y value. Let's try it out. Never tried y. There's y. Oops. Alpha. 1. There we go. Yep. It's the y value. So, interesting. So anyway, just to know that that's there. As far as what they're asking for, it says to the nearest hundredth, so x equals 1.61. So that's kind of what I want to see on your paper. I want to see where you entered. The left-hand side is y1, the right-hand side is y2. I want to know what your answer is for as many decimal places the calculator is willing to display on the screen. And again, if it's 100th, that's fine. If it needed further than that, give me this better 02 one. If you want to write the 02 one, that's fine. But nearest 100th, next numbers are 3. We're not truncating, we're rounding. So make sure that 3 is less than 5, so we're going to go closer to 1.61. And that's it.